Hey everyone, welcome back to HT Podcast, where we break down markets, trends, and the smartest moves for your portfolio. I'm your host, Jason, and today we're diving into a very timely topic. Is the healthcare sector a hidden gem for investors right now? And to help us explore this, we've got a special guest with us, Dr. Emily Carter, Senior Healthcare Analyst and Investment Strategist. Emily, great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Jason. I'm excited to talk about this. The healthcare space is full of surprises right now.
So let's start with the big picture. Over the past year, the healthcare sector has kind of underwhelmed, especially compared to the broader market. What's going on?
You're absolutely right. If we look at the S&P 500, it's up strong year over year. But the healthcare sector has lagged by around 4 to 5%. That doesn't mean the sector is weak. It's more about where investor attention is flowing.
So is this just part of the market cycle?
Exactly. When markets are bullish, like now, investors tend to flock to high-growth sectors like tech. Healthcare, being more defensive, doesn't shine during these risk-on periods, but that creates interesting buying opportunities.
Okay, so underperformance doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad investment. In fact, could it be an opportunity?
Absolutely. A lot of high-quality healthcare companies are trading at discounts. And this isn't just about pharmaceutical giants. We're talking medical devices, insurance providers, diagnostics firms, even biotech.
Can you give us some examples?
Sure. UnitedHealth Group has shown consistent earnings growth and strong dividend returns. Then there's Eli Lilly, which has had major breakthroughs in obesity and diabetes treatment. These are companies with long-term strength.
Let's talk risks, because no sector is without them. What should investors be cautious about in healthcare?
Two major things: regulation and politics. Healthcare is heavily influenced by government policy. As we approach the 2024 election, you can expect volatility in the sector, especially around talk of reforms or drug pricing.
So investors need to keep one eye on Washington, not just Wall Street.
Exactly. Policy shifts can impact stock prices overnight. So understanding the regulatory landscape is crucial.
All right, short-term headwinds aside, what's the long-term view? Is healthcare still a smart bet for the next 5 to 10 years?
I'd say yes, more than ever. We're facing an aging global population, which means demand for healthcare will only grow. On top of that, innovation is booming. AI in diagnostics, gene therapy, remote monitoring, it's transforming the industry.
So it's not just recession-resistant, it's future-focused.
Exactly. Unlike many sectors, healthcare is both essential and innovative. And that's a rare combination.
All right, Emily, time for the million-dollar question. Is now a good time to invest in healthcare?
If you're a long-term investor, yes, you might not see instant returns, but the fundamentals are strong. Valuations are attractive, and the demand is inevitable. Just be selective and understand what part of healthcare you're investing in.
Solid advice. Thanks so much, Emily, for your insights.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk smart investing.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Smart Investor Show. Until next time, invest smart, live well.